What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. So today we're going to be testing out the double wrench method on a padlock here. Now usually I'd use an angle grinder, I might even pick the lock, but in my case the angle grinder is missing a little washer, so that means I can't safely use it, and my bolt cutters aren't in the car. So what I'm going to do is attempt to use the double wrench method. Something that I've just noticed is with the double wrench method that everybody's been showing online, there's not usually any chain or anything in there, so you've got plenty of room inside. As you guys can see, we don't have much room here, so I'm gonna have to use two little wrenches and see just how well this method actually works. So we've got an old set of wrenches here that we're gonna put to the test and try it out, see what fits in there first. Might need to use the smaller ones. So the concept for this is just by using the two wrenches against each other with leverage, we're supposed to be able to break this one here open. So I'm going to struggle to get this at the right angle initially. I need to make as much room as I can. Nobody really shows you this in action, so today we're going to be testing it out and seeing if it actually works. So I'll push that up against that post there. That's not working like that. Alrighty, so I think I've got a decent grip on there now. See if I can push this out. What I might have to do, I'll put this one here on the side, use a bigger wrench. You can see I never use these wrenches, they're all rusted. So I'll try and put this one here on its side because we don't really have much room. Wiggle it. It's not as easy as it looks. Not when you've got a chain in there anyway. Alright, so we've got a bit of a grip now. Alright, so I think that's gonna, not yet, it's still slipping. Alright, so I've got a bit of a grip now. Well, that's just bending the other spanner. What we'll do, we'll use the bigger one. This one here is a real life scenario where things never go to plan. Alright, so we're doing it a little bit different to what they initially showed. So usually with a double wrench, you put it in like this and then lever it back. But because I'm limited with space, I'm trying to put it on its side and lever back. Might try the original method. No, there's not going to be enough room. Alright, so we'll try it like this on its side. It's still bending the wrench. Not even sure what brand this padlock here is. Looks like a no-name one, but yeah, we'll keep trying. Oh, I just heard something pop. I think we might have done it. You can see down here, I've just popped it out of its position. There we go. So there we have it, guys. It actually does work. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.